Good afternoon or morning or whatever it is. So as you can see, I did a lot of painting this nice gray color. So it's kind of fun because it's like, depending on the light, it can look really dark gray, or you kind of get this blue color, kind of a bluish gray for the cabinets, which I think I kind of like. It looks kind of nice. So I have to do some errands today. So tonight or later this afternoon, I'm going to finish this white color and my new backsplash that I was looking at, and I'll show you that and what's the easiest way to put that on, and then get some of this obviously trimmed in the new color. I might also distress some of the gray here because I think it looks a little too flat. So if I take some sandpaper and kind of rub on the edges, I think it'll bring a little bit more life to it and like kind of an old feel to it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do today. And with that, let me go get some stuff done and I will show you how to take care of some of this and what I did for my backsplash. So stay tuned. All right, so I have an update. So you know I have my things here that are nicely painted. That's kind of it's not really a white, it's more of a cream color. So cream with this really pretty gray. I think it's gonna look really nice. So, I don't think it's gonna look nice. It's going to look nice. So I'm gonna come back here. So I need to show you that. So it's gonna look really nice. So what I am going to do now, get you here. I have been looking for a backsplash for my back on my entertainment center. So what I have actually found is I have found this backsplash. So it's not the best, but it gives some wow and it has that metallic silver that I was looking for. But the good thing about this is that it's actually stickable. I don't need any grout. I don't need anything to stick this up. Plus, it is extremely lightweight. So this is gonna be excellent to actually stick on here, back here. So as you can see that's what it's gonna look like. I have it all cut out where I'm going to be doing my white or my silver, which kind of looks like marble. See that? I'm gonna be doing it this way to give the appearance of it being actually longer. So if you stick this up like this, it's gonna look like it's longer than if you were to do it this way. So I'm going to be doing it that way. So watch me put these up and I will show you the finish once I get finished. morning and welcome to the final reveal, I guess, of my, refurbishing my entertainment center. So I completed it late last night, but I think it turned out pretty good. So I'm going to flip the camera around here and you let me know what you think. So there is my backsplash. And it's that flimsy backsplash where you just peel and stick. And I'll tell you more about that. And then I got new knobs for my drawers and for my handles. And of course there is the inside of the TV stand. So I did the opposite from the white and gray stripe. And now it's gray and white stripe for both of those. And then again, this other side. So I think it turned out pretty good. What do you guys think? And then my cap offs. And I actually painted the lights as well, so it makes it a lot brighter. So what do you guys think? Did I do a good job? Compared to the very beginning, you know, I think I did a pretty good job. There is one thing I wanted to quickly tell you about the pull and stick tiles. Once you actually get them stuck on the back, it is very difficult to get them unstuck. So there were a couple times where I kind of made a little mistake, but I couldn't pull off the tile because the back is so sticky. It adheres really good and really fast. So make sure you have the correct cut for your tile and make sure it is laid out properly from the beginning, so you won't have to go back and change it and try to correct it. So, but yeah, that is it. What do you guys think? Let me know below and give me a thumbs up. Yeah, with that, I'm off. So you guys have a fantastic weekend, and we will talk to you later. Bye.